this tutorial we'll be going over lambda expressions. So lambda expressions are basically functions in Python. Okay, you can think of them like anonymous functions if you're coming from places like Java or JavaScript. You can think of them like arrow functions. So what are lambda functions or expressions? So lambda expressions are just like normal functions but much more simpler and can be used that you can call them, pass them, return them, or assign them to a variable. Let's go to the syntax of writing a lambda expression. So the syntax is just basically the keyword lambda, small letter L rather, not capital letter L. So I made a mistake there. Small letter L of lambda and then an argument and then writing an expression. It does not take in many expressions, it takes in only one expression. That is the difference between a function and the lambda expression. So lambda expression takes in only one expression, while the function can take in multiple expressions. So let's get to it to see what we mean. So I have opened up my Visual Studio Code. So let's write the normal function, which is call it in increment. So this basically takes in a number and then it returns number plus 5. So it increments the number by 5. So let's call this increment function, then we pass in 10. Okay, let's print this out on the screen because it's going to return to us the result, and then we want to print the result on the screen. So if I run this code, we get 15 because 10 plus 5 is obviously 15. Okay, so that is what a normal function would look like to increment this. So how would a lambda expression look like? So let's name a lambda expression. We are going to assign it to a variable named x. So you're going to take in a number, colon, and then the expression. So what we're going to do is going to take number plus 5. So let's, instead of calling our normal function, we're going to call the lambda expression x, and then we pass in 10 our argument. Sorry. So if you run this, we still get 5, which is the same output. So this and this are basically the same thing. They take in a parameter, an argument, and increment it by 5. Okay, this is what a lambda expression is in Python. So lambda expressions are very powerful to use and simplify the task a lot. So you can take in more than one argument. So let's say we can also take a number 2. So it's going to return to us a sum of number 1 plus number 2. So we pick 5 and 20. So what do you think the output will be? Let's run this. We get 30. So it is the output. So you can take in any number of arguments as you want, but you can only return one expression. Okay, so it's whatever I write over here is a return statement. Okay, so it will be written, whatever I write after this colon will be written to the whatever call that call the function. Okay, so that is the basics of lambda expressions. Some reasons why you should use lambda expressions. Lambda expressions can also be used within another function. So for example, let's copy this and just cut it, and then I'll paste it in here. So I'll paste this in here. So this space. So this is going to return to us a lambda expression. So if you pass in the increment value over here, it doesn't take in any parameters. So this increment function is going to return to us a lambda expression that takes in two numbers and adds them. Okay, so whatever return statement that you are getting, you're passing it into the variable x, and then you're calling and the variable x will be a lambda expression. So if you call it, you need to pass in two arguments. It is number and number 2, and to get the sum. So let's run this. We get 30. Okay, so that's how you can work. So this is again anonymous functions. So you can pass them to, you can use them within other functions, return them from other functions, assign them to variables. So they're really easy to use. They can come in handy where you don't have to define a whole function. Okay, just want to do something simple, you can use a lambda expression. Brings us to the end of this tutorial. Please like, share, subscribe, and support my channel. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to you, or you can follow me on Instagram. Please be sure to subscribe to this channel for further videos like this. Thanks for watching.